Okay, second grade, so this week we're going to work on typing and code.org. So to review how to get to our typing website, we're going to go to ps221q.org, grade level resources, click on second grade, and then we're going to go to advanced math typing. So each week we're going to work on typing and code.org at the beginning of the year. And then later on we'll work on Scratch and Microsoft Word. But first we have to review our typing. And what we're going to do is this week we're on to the E and I, which is stage 2. So you're going to go to play level 1, click play level 1, and you're going to click the E and the I over here. Okay, and then on this screen you press enter. I'd like to review how we place our fingers on the keyboard. Our pointy fingers go on the F and the J. So the left pointy finger goes on the F and the right pointy finger goes on the J. And notice they have the colors to tell us where we put each finger. The left pinky goes on the A, you see it's both red. The right pinky goes on the semicolon. Ring finger on the right side on the L, middle finger on the K. And on this side, ring finger on the S, and the middle finger on the D. So we have to match the colors up. You see this is red and purple, yellow, and E. So F is blue. And the thumbs go on the space bar over here. So this week we're going to review the home row over here, the home row, which is the middle row. That's the row we start with our fingers on, and we're also going to do the E and the I. So the middle finger goes from the D to the E on the left side, and on this side from the K on the middle finger to the I. Okay, so this week we're going to be working on the E and the I, and we use our middle finger. We go from D to E with the middle finger on the left side, and from K to I with the middle finger on the right side. Okay, so now with Dance Math Typing, we put our pointy fingers on the F and the J, and we just type, and the G is used with the left pointy finger. So if you see a G, use the left pointy finger. This week we will also begin using code.org course C. Last week's assignment was just to log into code.org because it's a little different this year. So if you forgot how to log in, please review the video in last week where I walked through how to log into code.org. The way you're going to log in is you're going to click sign in on the top right over here, and then you're going to click continue with Google. Okay, sign in and then continue with Google. And then from there, you're going to log in like you do with your student ID at nycstudents.net, and then you put your password in, and then you'll be ready to go. Okay, so I go through that in more detail in the previous lesson last week. But again, you just from code.org course C, you click sign in. Now the reason why you click sign in is so that I could see the children's work. Now, you don't have to do these up here. You don't have to do these. You don't even have to do number 3. I will start with number 4 this week. But if you want to, you could click on those if you would like. So I will start on number 4. You can watch the video. I'm not going to watch the video because the children can do that with their own time. But I'll show you how to do this one. And this week we're going to work on number 4, programming with Angry Birds. So let's take a look. Now the children should be familiar with this. It's a little different in second grade than first grade. In first grade we use the arrows. In second grade they don't give us arrows anymore, they give us words. Okay? So we have our little guy over here, Angry Bird, and he's got to get to the pig. So we need 1 forward, 2 forwards. So we click, and this is our algorithm, our list of steps. We have forward, forward, and we're going to run that program. Okay, so we wrote our code. Let's go to the next one. I'll do a few of them with the students. So this one again, we have to go forward, 1 forward, 2 forward, 3 forwards. So our algorithm, our list of steps is forward, 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 and then we run the program. Forward, forward, forward. Okay, now I'm going to skip forward. I'm going to go to a little bit of a harder one. So I'm going to skip forward. Okay, let's take a look at this one. So we don't have the arrows anymore, but we have the words. What is the first thing he needs to do? He needs to go forward, forward, right? So 2 forwards. And now, from his point of view, what does he have to do? He goes forward, forward. We could even do steps if we want to break it down. Forward, forward. Now, what does he have to do next? What's his next step? He's got to turn left. Okay? So forward, forward, turn left, and then he's going to go forward, forward, and then he's going to go forward, forward. Okay, so let's take a look. Forward, forward, turn left, forward, forward. Okay. Now, this one's a little tricky, number 7, so I'll go over it. And we have a repeat loop. So we spoke about that last year. You don't have to use the repeat loop, but the repeat loop simplifies our code. So instead of going forward, 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 we could say repeat so many times, go forward. Okay, so what do we need him to do? We want him to go turn left. We want him to turn right. I will have him turn left. Okay, so if he turns left, let's see what happens. He turns left. He goes that way. All right. So we got him turn left, and let's have him move forward. And I can do it step. Turn forward, turn left, move forward. What's he got to do next? He's got to turn to the right. And then after he turns to the right, let's see how it goes. Turn left, move forward, turn to the right, and then let's have him go 1, 2, 3 times forward. Now I could go forward, forward, forward. That's perfectly fine. Or if you want to be more advanced, you could say, I want to do a repeat loop 3 times. Forward. Okay, repeat loop 3 times forward. So here's our algorithm, our list of steps. Turn left, move forward, turn right, and repeat loop forward 3 times. Now he goes forward. Now what do we have to do next? He's got to turn right, and then he's going to move forward. And then he moves forward.